Hey, it's Miss Wilson again. So now we're going to learn a bit more about number patterns. So how do number patterns work? You may have done them before or seen them before, and they usually look something like this. 2, 4, 6, 8. And how would you continue that pattern? Well, to continue that pattern, we can notice a little trend here. If we go from 2 to 4, that is going up by 2. That's plussing by 2 or increasing by 2. If we go from 4 to 6, that is also increasing by 2. And if we go from 6 to 8, again, that is increasing by 2. So to continue a number pattern like this, all we have to do is keep going up by 2 and filling in the numbers. So if I were to fill in those numbers, after 8, if I go up by 2, it's 10. After 10, it'll be 12, and so on and so forth. Now, we can also decrease in our number patterns and also use other different symbols in our number patterns, such as money. So if I started with $20 and my next one went to $16 and then to $12, and you had to continue the pattern, again, we need to find what that pattern is, that decrease, or the thing they have in common. So if we have a look from going from $20 to $16, we know that it's minusing 4. From going 16 to 12, again, it's taking away 4. So what would the next two numbers be if we've got to take away 4? The answer for those ones would go to $8 and then $4. And that would be the answer. Now, remember, if we're working with something like money, you can't forget to put in the symbols in your answer as well. Now, sometimes patterns can be a little bit tricky. They may seem a bit easy, but it can actually be a little bit tricky. So for example, I might have $2 as my first one, then I might have $5 as the next one, then I might have $1 as the next one. And then it starts again. We've got $2, $5, and then we want to continue that pattern. Now for this one, you can probably see the pattern 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, and you could probably work it out that way. But just to be safe, let's figure out the pattern jumping in numbers. So from $2 to $5, that is an increase of 3. From $5 to $1, that's a decrease of 4. From $1 to $2, that's an increase of 1. And then from 2 to 5, that's an increase of 3. So we can see the number pattern in this one goes plus 3 minus 4 plus 1. Plus 3 minus 4 plus 1. And that's how we continue the pattern. So to fill out the answers for this one, you could probably guess it already. From $5 and we're taking away 4, that's going to become $1. And then from $1 and I've got a plus 1, that is going to be $2. So, oops, there we go. So try out the activity below, thinking about all these things, and see how you go.